Assalamu alaikum in our 8th maths lesson. And before we look at our today's lesson, in our previous lesson we started looking at the subtopic duration, and we said duration is the time taken. And in our previous lesson we looked at the time afternoon from specific given times. In our today's lesson, still in the subtopic duration, we are going to look at the following question. How long is it? How long is it from 12 noon we are going to look at how long is it from 12 noon to specific given times. When we say how long is it from 12 noon, so it means we are starting from noon to the time given. And we said earlier that when we are calculating the specific given time from a given time to another given time, that is what we refer to as duration. And in our example 1, we have 1 p.m. So the question is, how long is it from 12 noon to 1 p.m.? We are going to use the timeline as earlier. So we are starting from noon, that is 12 noon, up to 1 p.m. After 12 we don't go to 13, because we say during the daytime we have 12 hours and during the night we have 12 hours. So after 12 we go to 1, and we say the time afternoon. The time afternoon, we use PM. PM means past midday. Past midday. So from 12 noon to 1 p.m., how many hours are there? That will be 1 hour. That will be 1 hour. Because we say from one number to another number using the timeline, that is a difference of 1 hour. Let's go to our second example. That was example 1. Let's go to example 2. In our example 2, the time given is 4 p.m. The question still remains the same. The question is, how long is it from 12 noon to 4 p.m.? So our starting time is 12 noon. Still using the timeline, 12 noon. We say after 12 we go to 1, then 2, 3, then 4. The times afternoon, all these times will be in PM, because these times have passed noon. And the times, when the times have passed noon, we use PM. So from 12 noon up to 4 p.m., how many hours are there? Let's count how many hours are there. From 12 to 1, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Because we say from one number to another number, there's a difference of 1 hour. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are 4 hours. That is example 2. Let's go to example 3. Let's go to example 3. In our example 3, we have 11 p.m. 11 p.m. The question still remains the same. The question is, how long is it from 12 noon to the time given? And the time given is 11 p.m. That is the time after noon. Let's use the timeline again. So we are starting from 12 noon. After 12 we go to 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And we say the times afternoon, all those times are in p.m. because it has passed midday. So let's count. We say from one number to another number. For example, from 12 to 1 p.m. That difference between the time is 1 hour. Let's count together. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So from 12 noon to 11 p.m. we have 11 hours. We have 11 hours. Let's go to our next example, that is example 4. In example 4, we have 5 p.m. That is example 4. We have 5 p.m. past midday. So we are starting from 12 noon. The question still remains, how long is it from 12 noon to 5 p.m.? And we say, when looking for the duration, let's use the timeline. And our starting time will be 12 noon. So from 12 noon up to 5 p.m. So we are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we say the times afternoon, we use p.m. We use p.m. That will be 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., and 5 p.m. And we said earlier that from one number to another number, for example, 12 to 1, that is 1 hour, 1 to 2 p.m., that is a difference of 1 hour. So from 12 noon to 5 p.m., let's get how many hours are there. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those will be 5 hours. Let's go to our 5th example. Example 5. In example 5, we have 10 p.m. The question still remains, how long is it from 12 noon to the time given? And the time given is 10 p.m. Let's use the timeline. Our starting time, we are using the word from. So we are starting from 12 noon. That will be 12 noon. And we said after 12, don't go to 13. We are using the 12-hour clock system. After 12, we go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because the time 2 is up to 2 p.m., up to 10 p.m. So we go up to 10 p.m. And we said the times afternoon we use p.m. So all these times will be in p.m. because there are the times after noon. That will be 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m., and 10 p.m. And we said earlier that from one number to another number, when we are using the timer, there's a difference of 1 hour. So from 12 to 1, that is 1 hour. From 1 to 2, that is 1 hour. So let's get how long is it from 12 noon to 10 p.m. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those will be 10 hours. That is from 12 noon to 10 p.m. there are 10 hours. So in our today's lesson we have learned that from noon to any specific time. So we will start from noon to the given. We will start from noon to the given time. So we will meet in Google Classroom and give an exercise, and make sure you submit your work in Google Classroom. Don't submit your work through WhatsApp. Submit your work through Google Classroom. Thank you. Let's meet in our next lesson.